Okay, let's talk about add strings. So you're given two strings in nums1 and nums2, right? And you're adding, and you're going to return the sum of them. So you are not allowed to convert to integer. And let's talk about the idea. So I'm going to start from the back and then to the front. And when you add, you put a carry to the front if there it is. If there isn't, then we just don't care about it. So let's just follow along. So I will be the nums1 index and j will be nums2 index. And I'm putting in string builder. So I equal to 0 or j equal to 0. And I say digit for num1 would become. So I'm going to say if I check I equal to 0, that means this is a valid character. So I'm going to say num1 the char I and minus the char, so that would become the integer, right? So that would be the integer value. Then I'm going to say else 0, so that would be the digits 1 and digits 2 will become the same idea. J equal to 0, and then it's a valid string, and I'm going to subtract the 0 because the ASCII. Okay, now I'm going to add it, right? So in sum equal to digit nums1 plus digits nums2. So you have to be careful of the carry, right? So I'm going to put a carry to outside of the loop and then plus a carry, even though the carry is 0 right now, and then carry will equal to sum divided by 10, and that will be it. So I just append, well, what should I append? I append the sum mod 10, right? And then because this carry will carry on the next following loop, so what I did, I subtract the I and subtract the j and break out the loop. So the only thing I have to check is if there's a carry left, because I and j will definitely less than 0 when you break out, right? So if carry is greater than 0, then sp.append, I will append 1, and then I just have to return. So imagine, I append 1, so I append to the last one, right? But it's actually reversed, because you think about it, 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So the first character is 4, and then the second character will be 3, and then 2, right? So it's so it's 1, sorry. And then so you are going to reverse the string, so that will give you the correct integer. So when you reverse and then you are just type 2 string, and then you convert to string and talk about it. Let's talk about it. Okay, it's pretty good. Cool. Okay, let's talk about time and space. So you're definitely loop through every single character, right? But you are doing at the same time, so it's going to be all of max. So it's going to be length of I or length of j, right? It depends on which one is greater, and the space is all of 1 you are not actually using. So just don't forget you have to use a reverse function. So you can try this XML by your own, but just make sure you reverse, and that would be it. Peace.